So this is how you can sync your OneDrive with the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. So of course, make sure you have the app downloaded from the App Store. That make sure you are sign in with your Microsoft account and that everything is working. And then once you are inside of the app, when you switch from the files to the photos, you should see, just like me, that the camera backup is likely turned off by default. And if you turn it on, that means that you are syncing the OneDrive with the iPhone, meaning that every single photo from the iPhone gallery will then be part of the OneDrive Photos app as well, and it's obviously on the cloud, so it's backed up and synchronized with the iPhone. So it just means that if you get some more photos into the iPhone built-in gallery, they will be automatically synced and uploaded to OneDrive as well. So that's the same principle. It works with the, for example, iCloud Photos or Google Photos, right? So we have the same thing going on in here as well. You can always tap your profile and proceed to the settings and disable the camera backup if you don't wish to ever continue use it, right? But yeah, once you start the backup, it's kind of harder to stop that, right? Because you are losing your photos and everything is not really backed up anymore. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. And one more way to kind of sync it or make it become part of the iPhone is when you go to the Files app and find the locations within the Browse section. You can see that I already have the OneDrive in here and I can access it in here as such, right? And if I click on it, I have the ability to turn it on, and that just means that it becomes part of my iPhone Files app, and I can move files between my local storage, iCloud, and even third-party apps all in one place, all part of the files on my iPhone. So I hope it makes sense. This is another way to sync it with your iPhone. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.